Hey guys, so it's been a few weeks since I cut my Pixie-hawk and I'm finally ready to try to fix it. Or I guess try to change it completely is a more accurate thing to say. But first, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for all your tips, tricks, suggestions, and constructive criticism that you left on that video. A ton of you suggested that I put my hair straightener away and just leave my hair curly, which I've been trying to do. It has worked out somewhat to kind of just leave my natural texture. But I haven't quite figured it out all the way. The furthest I've gotten is that it usually looks better after I've slept on it than it does after I just let it air dry, like here. But besides that, possibly even more of you suggested that I do go for the buzz cut, or at least use my clippers to try to cut it shorter. So I borrowed some longer guards from my friend. This one is a 1 1/8 inch. It's a number 9, 28 millimeter if you care. This one is 1 1/4 inch. It's a number 10. It's 32 millimeters. So I'm gonna attach this to my clippers, and I'm also going to move the blade up a little bit, which should give it a little bit of extra length, I think. And we're just gonna see what I can do, because I want it short. I want it shorter. And then maybe as it grows out, I can get more familiar with how to style my texture, maybe? But we'll just have to see how today goes. So let's get started.
And
kind of close to what I was going for, but I wasn't necessarily going to leave the bangs. I definitely wasn't originally going for V-bang, which is why you saw me kind of cut stuff off the middle. But I don't know, I've always loved V-bangs. You guys know that I have history with them, and so I don't know, it was looking kind of cute. I also really liked the kind of just like normal bang situation that I was doing earlier. I'm relatively happy with it. I'm way happier with this than I was with my Pixie the last time. But I'm very curious to just see how it's gonna settle. You guys also saw that I brought this line up further. My sides have always been asymmetrical, and I realized that I think this one is always so good at doing this, while this hair, like, I have been wearing it mostly this way, but it usually struggles to do that same look, and I think it's just because there's too much hair there. So hopefully that will kind of open this side up more, if that makes sense. I think the back is kind of okay. It could probably be blended better, but at this point, I just want to be done. But other than that, I think it's pretty alright. I really like the choppiness of it. It's definitely not super even or like has really even layers or blending, but I kind of like that. I kind of like the rough feel of it. I'm hoping that I'll be able to just kind of like fluff it around and it'll just look nice. But I'm thinking that the more that I play with it right now, the like more I'm kind of fucking it up. I really liked how it looked like 10 minutes ago. And right now it's kind of like, oh, it's not as good, but we will see. I also think that from farther away it looks a little bit better. Maybe, I don't know, you guys will have to be the judge on that one. But yeah, I think with that, we are done with this hair update video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!